Good morning, students. Today we start our new chapter, reproductive health. So, what is reproductive health? Reproductive health means total well-being in all aspect of reproduction, like in physical, emotional, behavioral, and social. Means there is lots of problem in reproductive health, like there is little knowledge of personal hygiene and hygiene of reproductive organs. These cause sexual transmitted disease. As we know, it is also called STD disease. Like early marriages lead to high maternal and infant mortality rates, and due to lack of awareness, there has been a rapid increase in population size. People encourage belief in myth and misconception about sex related issues. So there is lots of worrying about things in reproductive health. If we describe about reproductive health, we have to be know about that the family welfare program initiated in 1951 India and aims to provide family planning services uh, within the broader context of maternal and child health care. Improved programs covering wider reproduction related areas are currently in operation under RCH programs, reproductive and child health care. Creating awareness, this due to according to this program, creating awareness among peoples about various reproductive related aspects and providing facilities and support for building up a reproductively healthy society, and are the main object of these programs. To create awareness among the people about reproductive related aspects, people participation is through voluntary agencies, opinion leaders, people representatives, government functioning, and various other influential groups. And Imaginative use of mass media such as audio, television, newspaper, magazine, posters is being employed to spread the message of the need of healthy attitude. Even sex education in school should be introduced to provide right information to the young, so as to discourage children from believing in myth and having misconception about sex related aspect. Adolescents age group should have proper knowledge about reproductive changes and sexually transmitted disease, uh, safe and hygienic sexual practices so that they lead a reproductive healthy life. So proper education means education do a proper main role in the form of in the field of reproductive health, because proper education should also given to a couple those of marriageable age group to enable them to voluntary choice regarding the size of the family by birth control options. And um, besides educating them to care of pregnant women, postnatal care of mother and child, important of like breastfeeding, equal opportunity for the male and female child, and awareness of problems due to uncontrolled population conscious healthy family of desired age. Means if you talk about this, that it need to be created enable people to think and take up necessary steps to prevent them, so that a socially responsible and healthy society could be built up. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि रिप्रोडक्टिव सोसाइटी आपका मेंटेन हो, सो यू हैव टू बी नो अबाउट द RCH programs, and you have to be participated in them, like you have to be use your education, like you have posting, you have to be made various things in your basis to be uh, educated people among the different types of problems related to if we are not care of child or pregnant woman. There is lots of problem in front of us in the coming times. Okay, so implementation of better techniques and new strategy are required to attain reproductive health, and strong infrastructural facilities, professional expertise, massive child immunization are important in this connection. Besides, statutory ban and amniocentesis for sex determination should be prolonged. Means better awareness about sex related matter, increase number of medically assisted deliveries, and better post natal care, planned parenthood with two child norms and prevention and cure of sexually transmitted disease, and overall increased medical facilities for all sex related problems. So it all indicate improved productive health of the society. If we have a reproductive health or a healthy reproductive society, we have made our good future. Okay. Now this is all about reproductive and child health care program. I thought you understand that all. Now second one is population explosion. What is explosion? Like a bump bomb. Okay. So population explosion means uh, in recent past all around development of various fields significantly improve the quality of life of the people, due to increasing of health facilities, along with better living condition, had an explosive impact on the growth of population. Since the carrying capacity of the earth is limited, it is important to control the present rate of population growth. Means balance it in an increase in population depend upon the gap between the birth rate and the death rate. Size of the human population is cause of concern for everyone, because beyond a certain limit the population experiences acute food shortage and the people face death from starvation, malnutrition or other related calamities. Means therefore it is essential to look for these all can be used to control prevent rate of population growth. The world population according to the last census to recorded at 6,137 millions. The second largest population country, India is the home of 16% of world population. And as we know, this is our 2021 where population will be measured again. Population will count again, because in the last time it is according to 2011 census, India's population was 1210.7 million, and it is expected to touch 13636 million by 2025. Means at the present rate of growth of 1.3%, by 2050 it will be increased by 47%. And according to demographers, the high growth rate is the result of declining death rate and increasing life expectancies and birth rate, which have been achieved mainly through the elimination of natural checks such as famines and epidemics on the one hand, and the application of scientific knowledge to improve the health and living condition of the peoples. So the fast rate of the population growth is a major problem of the national economy, and it has also been a bottleneck in the advancement of our country. So keeping in view, use of mass media is being employed to spread the message of the need of birth control, and even you have to be do also you're good in this field, and to build a healthy attitude toward consumption. So it is all about what is population exploitation. Yeah, you also play a major role, you also play a good role in your society to inform or educated people in your society about the causes is the harmness of population explosion. Now next here is how you like you are a biology student, so you have to be do your work like in a biology field by know by awareing peoples about the birth control methods. So the ideal method of contraception does not exist. There is some inconvenience involved for most of people. Means full range of availability of method, as different methods are suitable for different phases of man or woman in fertile life. Method of contraception are suitable only for women after childbirth. Some may be harmful to particular individuals. Means first, if we talk about natural family planning, means the best method of birth control is natural family planning. Uh, by recognize the rhythm of their menstrual cycle, means if women know their egg releasing times, so women can calculate the time when the egg is produced by the ovary and can be fertilized by the man sperm. Means if she know about their ovulation time, and after that during this unsafe time about 10, I think 10 days in each month, the couple need to abstain from sex. There is three types of way to estimating the safe period. you have to use your calendar, temperature and mucus method. Means a combination of all these three is the most reliable. uh, so if we talk about the calendar or rhythm method, means this method of family planning requires sexual absentees on the days when a woman is a fertile. If we talk about temperature method, this method involves taking women's temperature daily and keeping accurate record. Means the body temperature take a slight dip just before ovulation, when rises a day later 0.5 to 1 degree to 1 degree Fahrenheit. So the temperature must be taken by mouth and recorded each morning before getting out of bed and before taking any food or drink. This is not very popular, but yes, calendar method is very popular and very safe method to be birth control. To for now, if we talk about mucus method, so this method is based on the fact that the mucus secreted by the cervix thins and increases quantity at ovulation. Means finding a woman's fertile day can be useful for the couples who are trying to be have baby, as for those who are not. Other natural method of contraception including coitus interruptus. Coitus interruptus, as you seen in your screen, withdrawal of the penis from the vagina before ejaculation, or washing out the vagina immediately after the intercourse of two people, which reduces but not eliminate the possibility of pregnancy. The lactational amenorrhea. What is lactational amenorrhea? Means absent of menstruation method. It is based on fact that ovulation and therefore the cycle do not occur during the period of lactation, forming parturition. We already discussed about what is parturition in our last chapter. Okay, so therefore as long as the mother breastfeed their child fully, so chances of conception are almost nil. It is not 100% sure, but yeah, it's work. However, this method has been found effectively only up to maximum period of 6 months following parturition. Now next one is artificial family planning. In artificial family planning we talk about barrier conceptions. There is lots of devices which are help in to control birth method. Like barrier contraceptives are just what their name suggests, are the physical barrier that either keeps sperm out entry or prevent them from penetrating very far into the woman's reproductive system. The most popular barrier is condom, a sheet or a rubber plastic that is worn over the penis by the man during intercourse to receive the semen when it is ejaculated. And second one is diaphragm. The sheet also affords some protection against venereal disease. And another construction is diaphragm. It is rubber cap inserted in the vagina. Means it was a usable for thing of women's, where it block the passage of sperm into the womb, and it is simple to use but should be fitted the first time by a doctor or nurse to establish the correct size. Uh, as an added safeguard, it may be covered with a spermicide before insertion, and it should not be removed for at least 6 hours after the intercourse to ensure that all the sperms are dead. Besides this, cervical caps, means cervical caps and volts are also used. Uh, the next is spermicidal agent or a cream jelly. It is it is in the form of jellies or a form of suppositories, intent of insertion into the vagina just before intercourse, and they are meant. Why women apply this in vagina? Because it destroys the sperm chemically. They should be used either with condom or diaphragm, as they are less effective by themselves. Okay, what is IUD? Here is IUD is like intrauterine devices. A variety of plastic devices like coils and loop can be placed in the womb to prevent the fertilized egg becoming implanted in the wall of womb where it would grow. Where intrauterine devices are inserted in the womb by a medical professionals like it is like copper releasing IOD, CUT, CU7, multi-load 375, and the hormone releasing IOD like progesterone, LNG20. IUDs increase phagocytosis of sperm within the uterine, and CU ion release sperm suppress sperm for motility and the fertilized capacity of sperm. Means IUD increases the risk of pelvic inflammatory disease which can cause sterility. It is also increase the chances of ectopic pregnancy. Means ectopic pregnancy means that pregnancy is happening in tube, mean fallopian tube. That one is ectopic pregnancy, which are this is not good pregnancy. This is not continued. Pills and injection. Pills, the most effective method of contraceptive. The pills are two types. Means first one is combined pill, consists of hormone like estrogen and progesterone, and the mini pill, which is consists of progesterone only. These pills are taken orally by women only, and the estrogen in the combined pill work by stopping the ovary to releasing of egg, and the effect of progesterone is to make the mucus of the cervix hostile to sperm and change the character of the womb lining, so that the unfavorable implantation of the fertilized egg is stopped. It is important to take the combined pill at the same time every day to maintain hormone level. If the pill is forget for the more than a few hours, it is no longer reliable. So the combination pill must be taken for 21 days and then omitted for 7 days or during this menstrual bleeding occur. Beside a single progesterone or in a combination with estrogen injection, it is an effective contraceptive used by female for a period of 1 to 3 months. There is one most important Saheli. I hope you all see this advertisement in national TV or other TV channels. Saheli, what is Saheli? The new oral contraceptive for the female contain a non-steroidal preparation. It is a once a week. Women take once a week pill with very few side effects and high contraceptive value. So this is all about Saheli. Saheli is it also made in India. And sterilization. Sterilization is a surgical method are generally advised for the male and female partner as a terminal method to prevent any more pregnancies. Means block gametes transport and thereby prevent conception. It is simple operation for both man and woman. Means if male gets sterilized, we call it vasectomy, and if female gets sterilized, that one we call tuberculotomy. Okay. So in tuberculotomy, the fallopian tube which carry egg from the ovary to the womb are tied and cut, and in vasectomy done in man, it takes 15 to 30 minutes. The tube which carries sperm from the testis to the penis are tied and cut. So this is sterilization method. Most of time board asks the question, what is difference between vasectomy and tuberculotomy? I hope you all understand this. Okay. So this is all about birth control method, where surgical sterilization, vasectomy, tuberculotomy, condom are male condom, female condom is also there. Pills, there is two types of pills. We also describe it. Hormonal ring means which balance the hormonal cycles. IUD, injections, patch, diaphragm, calendar smith. These are all birth control methods, and I hope you understand all this, how they do their work in the field of birth control method. If you have any query, we have also a Zoom class. Please query where there. Your doubt will be clear if you talk about that. Thank you.